Genki said the app's blowing up. City definitely needs a Spider-Man. Should patrol for a while. Looks like Teo's bodega was robbed. Hope I can help. Should probably call Genki when I get there. Where did these dudes go to a power station? There's my way in. Now for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. Hey, man. Power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. Maybe we can get leads on who we're dealing with.
Spider-Man?
Call you soon.
Sorry to
Hey, Teo. Got a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course. You ready to swing, Spider-Cat?
You two look great. Get out there and stop some crimes, you two.
Lights out!